Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching.
2001 Mercury Grand Marquis. Ooh, Marquis? Which one is it? Marquis. 2001 Mercury Marquis. As my boy Tim says it, that's how it's supposed to be pronounced. So
Not Illinois.
it's not Illinois. Okay, whatever. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then what we did, true dueled it all the way back with two vibrant resonators, bottle resonators. Part number is covered. I've done so many of these, I should know the part number by now. 1794s, I think, or 92s. Anyways, they're the 2 1/4 inlet, 2 1/4 outlet. Okay, 3.5 inch round, right there and right there. And this is 2 1/4 pipe that we put in. Then it goes out to 2-inch tailpipes because there's not a lot of space, as you guys can see, there and there. So we have to cut. We get a bolt-on kit for that. I mean, like a pre-bent tailpipe because it's mandrel bent on this side. Okay, and we reuse this one because it's still good, and put them 2 factory style tips, 3.5 inch angle cut, double wall there and there to complete the look. Just gives a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Give it that sexy look, as you guys can see there. And there's the muffler that was on it, and it usually comes single in out the back as you get it wise into a single. There's the muffler, and that's a tailpipe from somewhere else. But that's what we cut off and ran new duals on it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Look at his excitement. What do you think? It used to be his car, and he sold it to him. So they've been friends since a long time. Wow. That is nice. Wow, that sounds good. Here's sounds 160. That sounds neat. That's it, huh? It made them come out of the car. You guys wonder what vibrance would sound on it? There you go.